once again. Sounds echo across the neon city into a rhythm that can't be stopped in this moment. I'm throwing everything, hot breath, the air is trembling. One glance and the night ignites the sound of a heart beating endlessly. Heartbeat that never stops. Higher and stronger, running beyond the limit. Even in the dark, the light survives. Our flame will never die. My heart beats like it's about to explode. The world shakes around us, rising like a flame, running until the end. Rushing forward like a storm, fate is calling our names. Tonight we burn bright. We keep living to the flying like a blaze of fire. The moment that lights the world, the name my heart cries out. We will never in the cold wind, settling softly all around. I held your hand as we walked to the winter sea.
What you give her? What's here? Yeah, anywhere we go becomes one with you.
Though the air was cold, your smile was warm. My heart melted like spring before I knew it. Even the breeze turned into a song, wrapping the two of us close together. On that winter shore, walking side by side with you. Memories crash like waves upon the tide. Even in this frozen season, I can always feel anywhere we go becomes one with you. Walking on the sand where white waves break. Between our footprints flows our time. Shining brighter than the starlight in the sky. Quietly sinking deep into my heart.
Even when the seasons change, someday my wish to stay by your side remains the same. From the distant edge of the sea, I can almost hear only us.
The day I first held you by the winter sea.
Your warm voice echo beyond the waves.
Even in a world that feels frozen, now I know every season shines when I'm with you.
That's pain. That's pain. Yeah, anywhere we go becomes one with you.
In the cold wind settling softly all around,
I held your hand as we walked to the winter sea.
only a breath drifted over the quiet waves.
Spreading gently in that tender moment.
Though the air was cold, your smile was warm. My heart melted like spring before I knew it. Even the breeze turned into a song, wrapping the two of us close together.
On that windshow, walking side by side with you. Memories crash like waves upon the tide.
Even in this frozen season, I can always feel anywhere we go becomes one with you.
Walking on the sand where white waves break between our footprints, flows of time shining brighter than a steel right in the sky, quietly sinking deep into my heart.
And when the seasons change someday, my wish to stay by your side remains the same.
From the distant edge of the sea, I can almost hear a melody that belongs to only us.
Day I first held you by the winter sea,
Your warm voice echoed beyond the waves.
even in a world that feels frozen, now I know.
Every season shines when I'm with you.
It tastes so good. In the mood.
Can't get enough. Repeat it again.